Is your small business reaching mobile customers? If not, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. In today's mobile-first world, your website and marketing need to be optimized for mobile devices. From responsive website design to mobile advertising and SMS marketing, MarketinGear has the solutions you need to connect with your mobile audience. Our team of experts will work with you to create a mobile marketing strategy that drives results. Don't let your business get left behind. Mobile users are more likely to make purchases, engage with brands, and share experiences with friends. By optimizing your website and marketing for mobile, you can increase conversions and sales, enhance customer engagement and loyalty, improve brand visibility and reputation. Contact MarketinGear today for a free consultation and let us help you go mobile. Our team is ready to help you succeed in the mobile marketplace.